Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? So I got a little project today. It's a pretty simple one. I'm just going to be changing the air filter on my air intake. It's from S&B Filters. I did a previous video of the full install of the air intake. You guys can check that out in one of my other videos. But going to be changing that out today. Should be pretty simple, straightforward. But here's what the filter looks like. Pretty good. It's just the dry filter, so I didn't do oiled because they said there was really no difference, and performs the exact same. So that's what I have in there now. But it's about a year old, so we're going to be changing it out today for the start of the year. Figure I'd start fresh and get a new one in there. But, shoot, should be pretty good. Came with a little. Where's it at there? Yeah. Came with a neat little sticker. So right on. Let's go slap this thing on. Ooh, this thing's a bit dirty in here. Let's take these out first. That's pretty dirty. Clean cover. Let's take this guy off. Yeah, scrub's pretty dirty. Okay. Alright guys, our bag got me a flathead. I'm gonna take this guy out here, loosen this guy up. Pretty loose there. There we go. Simple as that. And then we'll get the new one put back in there. Sweet. So now we got that one out. Take this guy, toss him in the trash, and get this new one slapped on. There we go, this little trick to it. Sweet. That just slides on there. Make sure it's all the way on. Sweet. Let's tighten this guy. Make sure that guy's good and tight. It's just gonna get dirty again anyways, so I'm sure we'll bother with it. That's pretty much it, guys. Filter's all changed. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hopes I helps anybody out changing that filter out. But sweet. Let me get these guys out of here. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so got that installed. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And I thank you to my wife for filming for me. But still got to drive around, make sure I don't have any check engine lights or anything like that. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Later.